So to begin with, we want to add more pages to your website. So what we're going to do is under projects, I'm going to have you add in a standard page, and you can pick and choose which things you want to include in here. But I mean, like in addition to what I'm going to tell you, but you're not going to have a huge amount of time in presenting these. So you can kind of decide which ones you really want to showcase. So for example, I'm going to do whichever one of the choose your own design adventures you did. So I'm going to do movie poster. If you didn't do the movie poster, obviously don't put that one in. Then for the other one, I'm going to do is the skateboard. And then posters for a cause. Now, they're not going to know what choose your own design adventure is. So you can just explain, here's some things that I chose to make. And then you can explain why. But we'll talk more about the presentation later. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put in these pieces. Now remember, like right here, see how I drug this up? It's kicked inside. That would mean that when you go here under projects, it's going to be tucked inside of there. I don't want that. So I'm going to move that one out. And that's pretty good right there. And that is bare minimum what I would be looking at. You might have additional things that you've had from previous years. Maybe you have a photography section. If you wanted to include some photography stuff in there, that's totally fine. But this bare minimum is what you should have. You have your personal collage, your Illustrator, your magazine spread. Now, if you didn't do one of these, I would delete it or at least hide it in the navigation. What that will do, you don't want to draw attention to anything you don't have. So these three are going to represent the choose your own design adventure pieces, and you can add additional things in here if you would like.